Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a rotation lock icon missing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path used in my video. Just copy and paste it over here and press enter. On right side you just need to right click on the blank area and select new and select a default 32-bit value. And now check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy the text and now rename the value we created and press enter. Double click on the value, set this value data to 1, click on OK and just close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.